everybody, it's Chantel with Telly's Talkin' Chalk. How's everybody doing today? I hope you are well. When you're jumping on, say hello, let me know where you're coming in from. Like and follow the business page. Check out my VIP group, Telly's Talkin' Chalk VI. You will also want to follow me on Instagram and YouTube. And go to tellystalkinchalk.ca for my finished pieces, if you shall wish. And you can also find my links to my business page. Sorry guys, I'm all distracted today. So you can find the business pages there and make your orders. We do have some stuff going on in the VIP group if you want to check that out. I'm just gonna get this. Oh, he changed it on me. I don't like this. Okay, so I'm gonna have to do that after, on the hope that just everybody that wants to see me is going to see this. Alright, so we are going to do the all is safely gathered in. Do we not have the other camera on? Oh, I'm not seeing it. Oh, there it goes. It totally froze on me there for a second. Alright. So I'm going to take this out and I'm going to use the fuzzing cloth to get a little bit of fuzz on it so that it doesn't stick too hard to the transfer or the surface. It is a day. I actually almost forgot to go live because it is a snow day and so my husband's home all day and so it didn't feel like a Monday. So we were eating dinner and all of a sudden I was like, ooh, gotta get ready. It's Monday. Keeps skipping on me. My end. Alright, so we're gonna do this a bunch of times only because this is super sticky. And they're super sticky because you get to use them 8 to 12 times. Still might not be enough. Hello everybody, I see some people jumping on. If you're on the replay after I am not live anymore, hashtag replay and still let me know where you're coming in from. Let's see. I'm still a little worried about this. Hey Sam, how are you? So we're gonna do there, and then we're gonna check it and see that it's wrong. There we go. This will test how sticky it is. Oh yeah, it's gonna still be sticky. So we're gonna fuzz it again. Hey Heather, fancy seeing you here live. All right, hun, how are you? Just doesn't feel like a Monday today, so it's been a weird day. I almost didn't end up coming live. I almost forgot. And I didn't come live this weekend like I was expecting, so I definitely wanted to make sure I came live today. Now, it might not be perfect, but I'm just gonna do it anyway. Oh, it's so not. These are reusable. The surface as well, because I'm using chalk paste, not ink. The ink is permanent. You just spammed your car? That's funny. So I'm gonna do the lines up here and the lines down here in white. You know what? Maybe I'll do those white, and then these white, and then do these in the teal. Or should I do it the other way around? Yeah, we got a whole whack of snow today. Am I skipping really bad for you guys? Because I'm skipping on my end so much. Alright, so I'm gonna do these white. I'm gonna end up messing up because I put a chunk on here. Then I'm gonna do the paste and peel method, so I'm just gonna pull up where I've chopped already so that it doesn't dry in the transfer. Can't even finish sentences today. It's good on your end? Okay. Because it keeps skipping on my end, so I'm like, hope it's not skipping for everybody. Make sure that I got all of it. It's good on both of your ends? Okay. Awesome. Thanks, ladies. It's always good to have friends on here with you that can help you out. Let you know what's going on. Now you want to pull this as evenly as possible. Because it's super sticky, it will hold on, and if you pull too hard and uneven, it's going to stretch it, and then you're not going to be able to put it down the nice way that it started. So I'm doing this part in the teal, or yes, teal. I had to think about that. I said it, and then I was like, I don't even know if that's the color I'm using today. Because I go between the teal and the eucalyptus so much that, and they're very much alike. One's a little more darky grayer than the other, but when they're not together, I find it's harder to tell the difference. I don't know about you guys. What have you all been up to today? I know we've been stuck inside all day, so we've just been watching TV and hanging out. I'm gonna have to put water in my teal here because it is super dry. All of my stuff is now drying because I've had it for so long that it's just finally. Hey Ryan! It's just finally actually starting to dry up. So I have to go in and wet it. Oh, a little bit. I just realized I put the white and the thing together, but oops. So all I did was took some distilled water that I have in this sprayer and mixed it in now with my paste. It does take me an extra couple seconds here because it's around the edges as well, so you want to get all of that if you can, because I did actually put a little bit much water in here. That was probably grammatically so not right, but you know what I mean. Did anybody do anything fun on the weekend? That's much better. Alright, so I've already pulled that up. Oh, I actually need to go back to the white first. I'm sitting here waiting all for the teal, and I need to go back to the white. And I need a bunch for this one because it's the two bigger words. So just take a bunch. And I always say, if you don't get it mucky, are you really crafting? If you want any information on Chalk Couture, hashtag Chalk in the comments. If you want to know about our Club Couture, which is our subscription box, hashtag Club in the comments. I will be happy to get back to you later privately about any of that information that you would like. Pull it up one, well, probably going to do it a couple more times by the end, but I'm going to do it this time for these letters. That's not sticking too bad, so that's why I was able to do it. Oh no! I missed part of the G. Well, thanks for telling me before I picked it up. I don't know. It just looks like it's missed. There we go. Alright, so now we're going to put the teal on this part. Oh, I got the white on this little tree here. That's okay. We'll just go over it with the teal and it'll all be alright. White with anything works well, so it's not a big deal if you get the white there first. I do custom stuff. If you want anything, let me know. And again, I do have stuff on my website, tellystalkandchalk.ca. If you want any of the finished pieces that I've already done in the past. If you've seen something that is not on the website, because I have not updated it in a little while, let me know, and I will get back to you on that as well. And pull this up again. That's the thing with this paste and peel method. You have to do it a bunch, depending on how many colors you're doing, like back and forth, stuff like that. But now we're just going to do the white the last time, and then I'm going to do the finished reveal. Or I guess I should have said last reveal, not finished reveal, but again, English is not my first language today. I'm not sure what is. We typically at our house call it Tellyish. Oh, we're just going to reveal this. Hopefully I didn't muck it up too bad. There we go. And just like that, we are done. I will hold this up closer. me some hearts and thumbs up if you like it. Follow the page. Join the group. Do all the things. And hopefully I will see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's Tuesday, so that should work. And if not, I will post in the group and on the page. And I will see you then.